Get a little view of Trout Lake. Water looking dark. Hey, there's construction up here. They're repairing a culvert. The when I come through into town, there was quite the hole down and back up. Probably going to be the same going back out. But, we will see. Yeah, the culvert washed out in the spring a bit, so they're redoing it. I don't like when they got new construction like that and you got to go through on the bike. I don't mind if it's hard packed, but I've done it before and it's all soft and back tires like about an inch or two into the sometimes mud and whatever else. When I come through here last time though, it was packed hard. A lot of transports on this highway, so it tends to get packed really quick. We'll see what it's like on the way back. I didn't have the camera on coming through the first time. We will see. No sense of speeding up. There's going to be a stop guy up here, so. Right around the next corner. There's the sign for him. There we are. I was going to go around this, but I figured I'd come through and video it. Yeah, we just missed going through. Flag turned just before we got here. Car behind me stopped and I was a kicker in neutral and give my wrist a little bit of a break. One thing I noticed on my Road King the other day is I believe it's got that where it shuts the back cylinder off. After it gets hot, it changes. It doesn't. It sounds more like one cylinder, and the bars bounce around. But they do that to save heat on the back cylinder, save it a little. Seems to work because I noticed it doesn't get as hot as my my Ultra when you're sitting at a stop like this. Oh, our turn. Going through any of these, I like to leave a little space between me and the car in front of me, just so I can see if there's any big holes or gaps, or if I have to give it if I'm spinning in the gravel or sand or whatever. I don't want to be tight to the back of the car. And here, you see what I'm talking about. Potholes. That's another thing. If you're tight to the back of the car, you can't see any uneven ground and all that shit. It's a little steeper going the other way. It didn't look so bad this way, but anywho, that's it. I don't know if they got calcium on the sand. It leaves these big black marks. Normal gravel wouldn't do that. It wouldn't be black like that. So I don't know what they've got on it to keep the dust down, or is what it is. Be all sprayed up around under my fenders now. Turned out to be a nice afternoon anyway. Earlier it was all rainy and clouded over. The next couple of days are going to be like that. Get little breaks here and there, but I think it's Eagle. What's going on up here? Yeah, Eagle Tree Service. They're cutting along the power lines there, I think. Not sure. The last 2 times in the last week and a little bit, we've had a power outage. The last one lasts 40 minutes. The one before that lasts 2.5 hours. So the wind picks up and starts blowing the trees on the line, and kaboom! And there's Scotty sitting with no coffee. Dang it! I'm getting a little wiser. I'm leaving the kettle and a couple things full. I can always boil the water on the gas stove, but I can't run the pump without water. Normally it don't happen much, but lately it's been happening more.